Hey friends, welcome to another video. Today I just want to give you an update on my Kombucha Scoby. I was very skeptical buying a Scoby online because I made my Scoby around 10 years ago actually. How about that, I think? Or 8 years ago, something like that. I made my Scoby from scratch using like a little bit of kombucha that I bought at the store, at this health food store years ago. It was a very small bottle. I think kombucha was just like coming out, and I made the Scoby from that, and it was amazing. And I had that Scoby ever since, and I had tons and tons of Scoby, and I gave them away. And then I had a whole Scoby hotel, and all of a sudden my Scobies just refused to work. So I don't know what happened to them. I keep giving them tea, I keep trying to rejuvenate them, and they just die. So I'm like, okay, I have to get a new Scoby. I tried to make a new Scoby and it just didn't work. I don't know why it wasn't making a new one. I tried all different kombuchas on the market and none of them worked. So I don't know what was going on. The last straw was I went to Walmart. They had a sale on kombucha. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy about 3 or 4 different flavors, like plain one with different flavors, and see different flavors are gonna work. Also bought plain flavor, none of them work. So anyways, I end up buying this Scoby on Amazon, and guys, I'm very happy with it. So I just poured it. I'm trying this guava juice with it and see how it's gonna taste, because I love guava. So we're trying this guava juice with it and see how it's gonna taste. But my favorite is to do like an apple. So I love to blend apple, then strain it out, and then use it to do a second ferment of my kombucha. This tastes so good. I'm gonna try apple after the second ferment. And I also like to do ginger. So I'm gonna try some ginger after I do, when I strain out the next one. I still have some in the jar. So I still have some in the jar, and I'm gonna make some fresh tea and do it in the morning. And then this I'm gonna put in a smaller container to do a second ferment, and I'm gonna make ginger with it. I'm gonna make a ginger kombucha and see how it's going to taste. Because usually I make my ginger bug. And guys, this is so yummy. I show you on videos already. This is so yummy. I just did this one tonight. This is my second ferment, and then I just feed this. So yummy. I drink this mostly every day. Yeah. So I'm gonna try it in the kombucha and see how it tastes. I never tried ginger with kombucha second ferment before. If you guys have tried it before, let me know. Let me know how it tastes. Okay? But that's what I'm gonna do. So what I have to say is I'm so happy with my kombucha. This thing already has 2 in the, that's the first ferment, and it's already made 2 Scoby. 1 here and then 1 at the bottom, and this big one here is the original one. So guys, I am so happy with this Scoby. I would recommend this company because mine work. Some people said, oh, it didn't work, it's not good, but mine worked on the first try. So the next thing I'm gonna come here and show you guys is my water kefir, because I do milk kefir, but I never tried water kefir before. So now I'm gonna do my water kefir. I'm gonna do the hydration and see how it's gonna work. Maybe in about a couple of days I'll do that and see how it works. But it's summer, there's a lot of wild herbs, there's a lot of wild edibles out there, and I just want to make a lot of kombucha drink, and I want to make just a lot of fermented stuff, just experiment with a lot of things. So I'm like, okay, let me show you guys the kombucha, because I show you guys how I made it and how I was unboxing it. And so yeah, this is the result. I'm giving you guys an update. It works. I'm gonna put the company that I bought it from in the bottom. If you want to buy it, it works well. And guys, I have a coupon for kombucha. If you want to buy kombucha, send me a message and I'll send you the coupon. Okay, but you have to live in Canada or US. Yeah, that's what that's where the coupon is for. I don't think it can work in any other place. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's US and Canada. But if you want it, let me know and I'll send me an email and I'll just send it to you. It's just like a number and then you just have to plug it in if you want to buy this kombucha, because I don't think I'll buy a kombucha again. I will make sure I don't cause this one to die. But I think mine died because they were very, very old, like 8 to 10 years kombucha, like I think they were just too old, and yeah, maybe that's why. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you in the video, and I will give you guys more updates and things, because I know some people watch my video. Sometimes they ask me, oh, what's about that thing, or what's about that thing that you show. So I'm gonna give you guys updates on things that I show, because sometimes I just don't come back and tell you guys what happened to the thing, because I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna do more updates and let you guys know of some things that I did and stuff like that. Okay, I'm listening to you viewers. Whatever you want, I'm giving you guys. Okay, put a comment in the bottom if you want me to update anything, or if anything that I did and you didn't see the result, you want to know, let me know. I'll do a quick little video like this for you guys. So mwah, mwah. Thanks for watching. Stay positive, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao, my loves.